Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're looking at NIO. It is official, ladies and gents. NIO delivered over 20,000 vehicles in May this year. They've delivered over 20,544 vehicles to be exact. This is an incredible accomplishment. Why is this mainly? Well, because for NIO, it's increasing the year-over-year delivery by 233.8%. This is year over year. So if we compare May this year, compare with May last year, it's over 233% increase in productivity and deliveries. Congratulations, NIO. This is a huge step. To go even further, NIO also delivered 66,217 vehicles year to date in 2024. So we've had 5 months so far, and NIO's delivered 66,000 vehicles. Again, this is a hugely positive thing for NIO. It's another 51% year over year growth for NIO in deliveries. This is a huge step for NIO. Cumulative deliveries of NIO vehicles have actually reached over 515,811 as of May the 31st, 2024. Over 500,000 vehicles delivered for NIO. Congratulations. Huge congratulations for NIO. And let me take you through their own statement. This is their own statement, their own words, the way they would describe their company. A pioneer and a leading company in the premium smart electric vehicle market. Today announced its May 2024 delivery results. The deliveries consist of 12,164 premium smart electric SUVs and 8,380 premium smart electric sedans. In May 2024, NIO further expanded its strategic cooperation on battery swapping by partnering with GAC Group, that's GAC Group, and FAW Group, that's FAW, adding to a growing list of strategic partnerships that include its existing collaboration with Shanghang Automobile, Geely Group, Jacques Group, Chery Automobile, and Lotus Technology. NIO is committed to establishing a rapid expanding, evolving battery swapping ecosystem and providing efficiency and convenient recharging experience for its users. And NIO is doing exactly what I would imagine a company would do if they were to think more strategically. What NIO have with their battery swapping technology is their own ecosystem, a path to freedom. And for me, this is perhaps even better than Tesla superchargers because anyone can build a supercharger. Anyone can build a charging stations. In fact, there's many companies building various different charging stations and infrastructure. There's no other company building swappable battery stations. NIO is the only one doing this, and they haven't found any competition in this area yet, which gives them a great advantage for the type of company that they're trying to build, a premium brand that others can rely on their technology. And I'd often say NIO is trying to be the VW of China, or try to be the VW of the electric vehicle world. And really and truly, little by little, it becomes more obvious. But NIO's vehicles will be even more premium than VW, in my opinion. While VW vehicles might be known for their reliability, NIO vehicles are known for their premium and elegance, if I'm being completely honest. Those are a few things that VW does appreciate. That's why VW has taken the time to acquire and develop other companies. Lamborghini, Bentley, Porsche, Audi, the list goes on. And VW has smaller brands like Seat. They have these smaller companies that they still own, and they have bigger companies that they own. So NIO's thinking quite expansive with its new brand Onvu. And it doesn't stop there for NIO with Onvu, to be honest, because NIO is still working on the next brand, which is Firefly. And I've always said that, it would seem as if that would be an even more premium brand or more premium offering from NIO. But perhaps I was incorrect. To be honest, I don't fully know. But I was just taking a guess. That was just my own speculation. But this technology, NIO Power, this is really going to revolutionize a lot of space. Like I said, instead of companies building their own battery swap stations, they will instead partner with NIO and use the NIO technology. This is a technology that's exclusive to NIO only, and it's a technology that is truly brilliant, and it's taken them some time to develop and to perfect this technology. But the more and more they've perfected this technology, the more obvious it becomes that clearly this is the way forward. When it comes to vehicles today and technology within those vehicles, it's going to be all about autonomy in the next 10, 20 years, even going forward after that. Take that into account while wondering, will other electric vehicle manufacturers want to develop their own battery swap stations? So on another note, NIO suppliers among 6 companies that may get solid-state battery R&D boost. According to China Daily Reports, 6 battery producers may get a 6 billion wons government investment into solid-state battery R&D in a plan launched last year. The government money would be divided between CATL, BYD, FOL, SEG, Geely, and Wheelian. The latter is the supplier of NIO's semi-solid-state 150 kilowatt battery pack. Given that Wheelian, a relatively small company, is on the list, and other companies such as GAC and Great Wall, which has announced solid-state battery achievements, are not on the list, seems notable. So how the 6 companies have been selected is a mystery, with many companies known to be working on solid-state battery excluded. All that has been announced is that the 6 companies are qualified without any elaboration over what makes them so. The China Daily article merely quoted sources saying the initial selection process was very strict and that all the leading battery companies applied to participate in the project. Furthermore, it is not clear whether the money will be divided equally amongst the 6, assuming that the report is even correct. So this is even more development coming NIO's way. Like the article says, there are also other companies that are developing solid-state batteries that are perhaps not on this list, but NIO is. So Wheelian works in cooperation with NIO. So this is quite important for NIO. This is what I mean when I say NIO is on the list. Not literally, but their battery supplier is on the list. At the end of the day, NIO is still a car company, a manufacturer of cars, technology company. They're a technology company. When you can outsource the manufacturing of battery to another company, this is what NIO has done essentially, and it's worked pretty well for them so far. And now said company is working on solid-state batteries, and this is a huge focus for a lot of electric vehicle manufacturer is solid-state battery. They're all fighting over the same thing, and they're all trying to outdevelop and outcompete one another. So it's going to be very interesting to see where this goes. The development of this is going to be very interesting to see how successful this becomes. But it's certainly a positive to keep up with. For a little bit more context on Wheelian, they make long-range EV batteries, including one capable of going 1,000 kilometers on a single charge. This company actually plans an IPO for 2025. So this company is going beyond what you could ever expect if you're not too familiar with this company. I'm not too familiar with this company, to be honest, but now I am curious. So to understand a little bit further, Wheelian reportedly expect to send NIO 150 kilowatt solid-state battery at volume in Q2 of 2024. We're now in 2024. We're now in Q2. This article was posted last year, late December, so it's not too long, but it has some useful information. Days after Chinese maker NIO showcased the massive range potential of its incoming 150 kilowatt solid-state battery, their manufacturer Wheelian shares some insight on when consumers can expect to see the technology roll out in mass quantity. This could herald a new era of EV mobility with safer cars that charge faster and drive faster. Solid-state battery remained a holy grail for OEMs as their non-volatile, lightweight, and energy-dense properties offer the performance spec consumers have long sought in their decision to ditch gas-powered vehicle once and for all. While solid-state battery exists and continue to evolve amongst several battery developers, the ability to scale and reach cost parity with additional lithium-ion cells remain a massive hurdle. And this is said problem that they're actually invested in. Chinese OEMs are paving the way by introducing the first passenger EV models to feature the tech. For example, some vehicles with semi-solid state cells are already for sale overseas. But we have yet to see the full potential of solid-state electrolyte batteries on the consumer market. NIO hopes to change that with the EVs, particularly its ET7 sedan. This is NIO's flagship electric sedan. When the flagship vehicle was first introduced in early 2021, NIO unveiled a 150 kilowatt pack equipped with solid-state battery from Beijing Leon New Energy Technology, better known as Leon. However, the public saw few updates on the process of the potential revolutionary battery technology until the past May, when filing with China Ministry of Industry and Technology revealed that 2 NIO SUVs and 1 sedan would receive battery upgrades using cells from Leon. By the end of June, Leon held a ceremony with NIO to commemorate the progress of the potential revolutionary battery technology. So you can see they're going forward, full steam ahead, and it's not being slowed down. And like I said, it's about 6 different companies that are all going for this, solid state batteries. Actually, more than that, more than 6 companies in China going for this, but 6 of them for sure are getting funding. And this funding could have a huge impact on who makes it and who doesn't. This funding might have a huge impact on that. So I'd like to hear from you what you think about this development for NIO. How positive is this for NIO? How positive is this for other Chinese electric vehicle companies like Geely as well? Remember now, Geely owns Polestar, Volvo. They own Lotus, they own Zeekr, they own a lot of companies, and they've got their own Geely cars as well. So Geely investing in this makes pure sense for them. So it's very interesting development. Let me know what you think. Remember to subscribe to our newsletter. There's a link in our description. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Leave a like, leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts. Peace.